In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up to your Weebly website. This quick and easy process is perfect for increasing user engagement, highlighting important announcements, or even capturing leads. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Weebly website. Once there, click the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. With your dashboard open, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Communications tab. From the options that appear, select Popups. This section allows you to create, manage, and customize pop-ups for your site. You'll see a variety of templates. Take a moment to browse and select one that best matches your site's aesthetic and purpose. Once you've chosen a template, click Create to enter the customization phase. Now comes the fun part, customizing your pop-up. You can adjust colors to match your brand, add text that communicates your message clearly, and include call to action buttons that are both inviting and effective. Make sure your text is concise and your buttons stand out, guiding visitors to take the action you want. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish. Your website will automatically republish and your new pop-up will go live for visitors. Remember, any other changes you've made in the Weebly Editor will also be published at this time, so double check everything looks perfect. And that's it. Your Weebly site now features a pop-up ready to engage visitors and highlight your message, offer, or announcement. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave any questions or feedback below.